Supreme Court and the hearing of that case in which a lawyer has made allegations that there was a conspiracy to frame the Chief Justice of India. Remember, Utsav Bains, a lawyer, came out with these startling claims that there was a conspiracy, that he had been approached by someone to frame the Chief Justice of India. Remember, a former Supreme Court employee has made allegations of sexual harassment against the Chief Justice, allegations that he has denied, and that case is going on separately. Another bench of the Supreme Court is listening to that case regarding the allegations that have been made against the Chief Justice. But this particular bench of the Supreme Court is looking into these startling allegations by the Supreme Court lawyer Utsav Bains, who claims that somebody had approached him and offered him 1.5 crores to help in, framing these or making these allegations against the Chief Justice, and calling a press conference in which these allegations would be made, and he refused it. And now the Supreme Court bench has asked retired Judge AK Patnaik to probe this entire matter. Now, yesterday, Utsav Bains had submitted an affidavit to the Supreme Court in which he made he also talked about the man who had approached him. He talked about another big fixer. He made allegations about how rich people are getting benches fixed, and all kinds of allegations were made in that affidavit, including the part about the Chief Justice. Let's go across to Vaidya Nathan for the latest. And Vaidya, the Supreme Court justices were quite shocked over the allegations that Utsav Bains has made. They talked about how the rich and powerful are playing with fire, and they think that they can control these things. And now a retired Supreme Court judge will be investigating this entire conspiracy allegation.
Yes, Justice AK Patnaik, former Supreme Court judge, will be one-man commissioner, whatever you call that. He will go into the allegations. Basically, he will examine and find out whatever the Utsav Bains advocate has mentioned in his affidavit, 2-3 affidavits. So, Mr. Patnaik will be assisted whenever it's needed by the CBI director, IB director, as well as the Delhi Commissioner of Police. So now, Supreme Court also made it very clear this probe in no way connects with the other in-house probe. They made it very clear in their order. And thirdly, it said that the court order also says that Mr. Bains will have to share all the information with the court, which will be looked into by Justice AK Patnaik. And interestingly, there is no time frame has been given in the Supreme Court order. But anyway, we'll have to see the detailed order. But one point is very important to Justice AK Patnaik. You may recollect, he was earlier also appointed by the Supreme Court to go into when CBI case came into Supreme Court. There were allegations against the CBI director. That case came to the court. At that time, AK Patnaik was appointed. So now Justice AK Patnaik will go through all these affidavits with the help of the CBI, IP, and Delhi Police Commissioner. He will he will decide whether the allegations raised by the advocate Utsav Bains is right or wrong, and he will submit the report in a sealed cover to the Supreme Court.